Now, let me carefully explain how to fix the login issue with CapCut on your phone, step by step to ensure your success. First, let's discuss what to do. If you have a VPN, as you can see here, you should definitely try logging into CapCut using the VPN for better access. You should definitely try logging into CapCut using the VPN, as this method works in about 90% of cases. If you still can't log in, now let's move to the next step. You can try restarting the application. Sometimes, this simple action can resolve the issue effectively. There might be some kind of glitch within the CapCut app itself on your device. If that doesn't work, you can also try other methods. You can also try updating or reinstalling the CapCut app. Simply delete it and then download it again. If that doesn't work, let's explore further options. If that still doesn't work, as you can see here, try going into settings and clearing the cache. I believe everyone will have this cleared. Whoever is monitoring this, you still need to check, as having a large cache in the CapCut app can cause various issues, you know? If it still doesn't work, it can load very slowly and cause frustration. After this, you can try logging in with any other login method available to you. For example, you can log in using Google, TikTok, or other accounts. That's all for now. Thank you all for your attention. As you can see here, wishing everyone good luck. Goodbye.